Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to discuss about first aid. This is the last part of our lesson, student, and this is very important because if someone is getting injury, if someone is getting hurt, in that situation, what to do? For example, if someone got hurt and a hospital is far away, it will take maybe half an hour. So in that case, what to do with that patient? Can we keep as it is here? No. So immediately we should give him treatment. Yes or no? We should give immediately help to that particular patient, and that is called the first aid treatment. Okay? Reaching to the hospital, it will take time. So between that time or before that time, we must give some treatment to that person to stop the bleeding, to get the little bit relief from that hurt. So that is called the first aid treatment. Now see here, students, first aid is the first help or treatment provided an injured person. This is the first treatment or first help provided. Provided मतलब उसको देना है. फर्स्ट ट्रीटमेंट, फर्स्ट हेल्प उस पेशेंट को देना है. पेशेंट मतलब इंज्योर्ड पर्सन who got the hurt. So that person we call the patient. Okay. So giving first aid can save life. For example, someone got the cut on his body. So what will happen, student? Continuously bleeding starts. So our responsibility is there to stop first bleeding till he reach to the hospital. Yes? So in that situation, so try to put cotton on the hurt. Okay? Or little bit you can wash that wound area, cut area. A little bit try to stop the bleeding. So that is for the first aid treatment. Okay? It can make the injured person feel a little better. He can't get the completely relief because of first treatment. Okay? For example, you all are naughty students, yes or no? While playing time, you get the hurt and bleeding starts. So at that time, first treatment supposed to give. What to do? So you go to that wall, okay? Or one thing we can do, first you wash the area where he got the hurt with the help of clean water. Then apply some antiseptic lotion, so he can get little bit relief and he feel better till the time he reach or till the time doctor arrives. So if the patient is too serious, if you got the lot of injuries, then we can call to the doctor. So doctor will come to the patient. But if the injury or hurt is not that much big, in that case, we can go to the hospital. We can go to the hospital. Okay? So this kind of, so according to situation, we have to think that. The next one, what everyone, see here, next thing, everyone must have first aid kit at home. See here, this is one kind of box, first aid box, you know. So this is one kind of box we can use, okay. And in that box, whatever first aid materials are required. For example, bandage. See here, first aid kit contains medicines. Whatever medicines are required, like paracetamol tablet, some fever tablets, medicines. Bandage strips, scissors for cutting the bandage, cotton, antiseptic soap. Antiseptic means what, students? This antiseptic soap clean or kill the germs those are present on wound area. जहां पे आपको लगता है वो पार्ट पहले क्लीन करना है एंटीसेप्टिक सोप से। इससे क्या होने वाला है स्टूडेंट, जो भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो किल हो जाएंगे। देन क्रीम, एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम एंड सोप एंड अदर थिंग्स like Dettol also we can put in that first aid box. So this is the first aid kit. Sometimes the question may ask, okay, what is the question? What is first aid kit? What is first aid kit contains? So you can write these materials. Now next question, next part. See here. This is the next part. See student, important things needed to give first aid. सबको मालूम होना चाहिए first aid treatment कैसे देना है. Okay. For example, a situation is like this. Burn. If someone's finger or maybe hand got burned. So in that case, what first aid treatment we supposed to give? So first thing, cool the burn under the cold running water. जो भी हैंड बर्न हुआ है, जहाँ पे भी स्किन बर्न हुई है, उसको क्या करना है, हमें कोल्ड वाटर से धोना है, क्लीन करना है, एटलीस्ट 10 मिनट्स, ओके, एंड loosely cover the burn area with the cloth, especially the cotton cloth, and then you can call to the doctor for the further treatment, or you can go to the doctor for the further treatment. Broken bone while playing kabaddi, while playing cricket, sometimes you fall down very badly and broken the bone. Okay, sometimes the bone get crack, that is called a fracture. So in that situation, do only one thing. If the bone is fractured, so don't allow movement of that part. आपको क्या करना है, उस बोन को, जो भी जिसका भी बोन फ्रैक्चर हुआ है, उसको कहना है कि इस बोन को ज्यादा मूव ना करें. ओके, because that bone may get disturbed from its place. So in that case, try to support the bone with the help of a pillow, cushion or something else, or you can hold the bone with your second hand and then you can go to the doctor or you can call the doctor. Head injury is there. Suppose head injury. Then let the person relax. If your head injury is there, so try to make that person relax. Okay, उसको काम करना है, उसको relax करना है, उसको silent करना है. Then apply the cold compress to the injured area. Cold compress मतलब ice लेना है आपको. You know ice you can take. That ice cubes you can wrap in cold napkin or cloth. You can wrap the ice cubes. You can wrap ice cubes in cotton cloth, and that you can use that cotton cloth and you can apply on the head. Okay. Then cuts and wounds. Just now I explained to you, if you get the cut or maybe the wound, so in that case, first wash your hand with clean water, then apply the antiseptic cream. Okay, and then you can go to the hospital for the further treatment. The next one is nose bleeding. Nose bleeding, you know, in some children, nose bleeding is very common. नाक से खून आता है, ब्लड आता है. Okay, so nose bleeding or nose bleeds with your body. So in that case, what to do? Sit upright and lean forward. आपको बैठना है ऐसे, sit upright and lean backward. थोड़ा नीचे आपको देखना है. Then what happen? Pinch the nose using your thumb. You have to pinch your nose with the help of your thumb. So whatever the blood is there inside your nose, that will come out. So pinch your nose with the help of thumb and index finger. Continue pinching for 5 to 10 minutes. Breathe through your mouth during that time. Here, when you are pinching your nose, जब आप nose को pinch कर रहे हो with the help of index finger and thumb, so during that time bleeding is there. So 5 to 10 minutes bleeding will be there. So at that time you can breathe with the help of your mouth. If you breathe with your nose, what will happen again? That blood will go to food pipe. Yes or no? Blood will go again inside your mouth. We need to remove that blood outside the body. Okay. So pinch, while pinching your nose, at that time or during that time, you can breathe with your mouth. Okay. Then don't blow your nose and don't bend down for several hours after the bleeding occurs. ज़्यादा देर तक वैसे बैठना नहीं. Okay. Then choking. Choking occurs when an object gets stuck in the throat or windpipe. Choking, block होता है. कुछ बच्चे स्मॉल होते हैं, उनको पता नहीं होता है, वो कभी कॉइन खा लेते हैं, कभी बॉटल का क्या खा लेते हैं, तो वो क्या होता है फिर चॉकअप हो जाता है. चॉकअप मतलब दैट कॉइन और मे बी द cover of water, it stop here and block the full pipe, windpipe sometimes, yes or no? So this blocking stop the flow of air, stop the flow of water. Okay, keep the person on his back between the shoulders. So in that case what to do? बच्चे ने कॉइन खा लिया है, समटाइम बच्चे ने क्या किया, जो बोतल का क्या निकल लिया है, तो उस सिचुएशन में हमें उस बच्चे के पीठ को थपथपाना है. ओके, सो यू कैन हिट द पर्सन ऑन हिज बैक. यहाँ पे बैक साइड पे हिट करना है, तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो सकता है, अगर वो कैप सामने है तो वो निकल सकता है. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ हिटिंग द चांसेस आर देयर दैट कैप में फॉल or that cap may come out of your throat and the shoulder blades, okay, out of your head. If it is not possible, then you can go to the hospital. Don't do more for long time. ज़्यादा देर तक वही करते नहीं बैठना है. Okay, then you immediately you can go to the hospital or you can take that person to the hospital. Okay, students. So this is about the first aid treatment. Okay, so I hope you understood the first aid treatment. One more time you can read this part at home and I hope you will understand each and everything. Clear, students? So here we have finished our lesson number 7, safety and first aid.